Hello children, good morning. I hope you all are fit and fine. So children, in this our today's class we will learn about networking devices. So first we will take one quick recap. So here our class begins. So children, in our yesterday's class we discussed about switching techniques. What is switching technique? Switching technique are the methods that we are using for sending the message from sender to receiver with the help of these intermediate nodes. So this one is switching techniques. But yesterday one question was there na, define switching techniques. So this is the answer. Second is types of switching techniques. Here three types are there: circuit, message and packet switching. What is circuit switching? Circuit switching where we are following this dedicated path or any path that we are following in the first transferring of first message, that path is followed by throughout data transfer. Okay, so advantage of this is that one unbroken path we are using there. Next one is, okay, this circuit switching we are using in landline and in mobile phone. Okay. Next one is this message switching. Message switching, what happened, that complete data, that complete message is moving from sender to receiver, and in between whatever intermediate nodes are there, they are making copy of it and then they are allowing this data to move forward. Next node making copy and then allowed to move forward, and in this manner your data will transfer. So this is the advantage of this switching technique, is that channel efficiency is very high. It means your data will definitely reach there on the receiver side. And third one is packet switching. Packet switching is where we are sending that message, that complete message is divided into small packets and these packets are transferred in the network. So this one is packet switching. Children, yesterday two children have asked me few different problems. First one child asked कि ma'am, in circuit switching we are following one dedicated path. So is this thing applicable on message and packet switching, means here also we are following any dedicated path? So answer is no. Here no need to follow any dedicated path. Here whatever data, okay, that in packet switching, in all the packets here address is there of the destination. So either packet will move from this side or from this side, they all are having the destination address, receiver address. So the packets will reach there on destination. And one child asked कि ma'am, in message switching tell me the example of message switching. Children, circuit switching example, that where we are using in landline phone. Packet switching where we are using in internet. बताया था ना, that from server side that data is moving, so in the form of packets. And message switching, this example is email. You all are using email, their data is transferred, that you are sending message from sender to receiver, that complete message is moving. So email is the example of message switching. Message switching and packet switching, their working is similar, only the difference is the data is transferring. Okay, in message switching complete data, packet switching in the form of packets. So these are the topics that we discussed in our yesterday's class. Now our today's task is that different networking devices. So children, these are the networking devices. Here, if you remember in first class only, that time I told you that what is network. Network is a group of computers. When we are connecting different computers, so these computers are connected, okay, with the help of these wires or with some devices. So here in our today's class we are discussing about these devices, that what are the devices that we required in networking. First one is switch. What is switch? Switch is this one, this black box is your switch, and here these are the ports, and in these ports we are placing the wires of the computers, and with this we are connecting all the computers. So switch is a device that we are using for connecting multiple communication lines, means multiple computers. And this switch we are using for creating temporary connection. Why temporary connection? Because if you are placing any wire here, okay, it is not compulsory you will remove it from there. Okay, so it is a temporary connection between two or more devices. So this one is switch. Second device is your hub. Hub is, or this one is your hub. So hub is that we are using for connecting multiple computers, and these multiple computers are able to sharing the information. Children, sometime hub is also known as dumb switch. If you found somewhere it is written that dumb switch means they are asking about hub. Why dumb switch? Why hub is called dumb switch? Because I will show you that switch is more smarter. देखो, working of switch and hub is similar, but the difference is that switch is more smarter than hub. How, ma'am? I will show you that. Suppose this one is your server, ठीक है, from where you are getting information. This one is your switch, and this one is node 1, this one is node 2, and this one is node 3. They all are connected, and with this they are making this network. Suppose node 2 wants something from server, so node 2 is giving request to switch, and this switch is giving this request to its server. Server is giving response to switch. ठीक है, switch is smarter. Switch knows that which node is requesting, so switch is giving that data to that specific node only. This is switch. ठीक है, but if we discussed about hub, so what hub will do? So here same, now this one is your server, this one is your hub, and now nodes are connected with this hub. ठीक है, and this one is again one network, this one is network. ठीक है, this one is switch, this one is one node, second node, third node, and all the nodes they are connected with this hub. Now suppose now node 2 wants something from this server, so node 2 is giving its request to this hub, hub is giving this request to server, server is giving response to this hub. Now hub, what it will do, it will take data from server and it will give that data to all the nodes connected in that network. So here for node 1 that data is useless, for node 3 that data is useless, so that's why this hub is known as dumb switch. ठीक है, समझ में आया? What is the difference between hub and dumb this switch? Switch is giving data to only that node who is requesting, while hub is giving data to all the nodes that are there in the network, that are the part of that network. That's why hub is known as dumb switch. Now children, next devices are router. What is the function of router? You will look that this one is a router, and the function of router is to find the shortest path. We will do the reading from here, that what is the function of router? That router device that we are using for transferring data from one network to another, but in intelligent way. ठीक है, what do we mean by this intelligent way? Means best possible route for transmitting the data. Children, this one is your router. What is its function? You all will listen it like this, that suppose this one is your home and you are at your home, and this one is the market. Your mother is saying you that beta go to market, and you will go to market and bring something from there. ठीक है, so what you will do, from your home you are router, now you are thinking that which one is the best path, best possible route you are choosing. ठीक है, from your home to this market. ठीक है, so this one is the function of router. Router will select the best path. Suppose from your home that one path is from like this, one path like this, and one path is like this. So when data is moving outside to from that sender side, so what happened, now data, this router will tell this to the data that this path is the most efficient one, you will move from this side, so data will follow that path and data will reach to its destination. So this one is router. First function of router is to analyze and finding the best path in the network. Children, after this next one is bridge. What is the function of bridge? Bridge we are using for connecting. You have seen that in your general life also. What is the function of bridge? What bridge will do? Bridge will connect to different location. So here two different LAN network is connected with the help of bridge. This one is LAN 1 and this one is LAN 2, and these two LANs are connected to the bridge. So this is the function of the bridge, is to connect these two LAN network, and whatever data is given by the LAN 1, okay, in this so many computers are there, and here so many computers are there in LAN 2. Now any computer is sending information from LAN 1 through bridge to LAN 2 network. So here what happened, whatever the data is there with there, okay, now bridge will decide that this packet is containing suitable data or not. So bridge is having this power to find that packet is suitable or not, or it should be forwarded or dropped. Okay, if packet is okay, means data is not corrupted, then it will take that packet and move it and can transfer it to LAN 2. Okay, and if this packet is not appropriate, data is corrupted, so what it will do, it will drop this packet here only and it will not deliver it to LAN 2. समझ में आया? ठीक है. So what is the function of bridge? Bridge is a networking device that is responsible for filtering the data. Filtering means it will check that data is appropriate or not, or it check that the destination address of the packet and decide whether it should be forwarded or dropped. Drop means that if data is not proper, that packet is not proper, then it will drop that packet there only. So what is the function of bridge? Bridge will reject, ठीक है, bridge will connect to different LAN network. Children, one more term is there, that one is gateway. If you remember, in working of internet there we have seen that gateway we are using for connecting to dissimilar network. ठीक है, these are the two LAN networks. If we want to connect to dissimilar network, there we are using gateway, and gateway we are, by that we are sharing the information. ठीक है. Next one is repeater. What is the function of repeater? Repeater, its function is to reestablish the signal strength when the signal was lose its strength. ठीक है, when data is very long distance. You all have seen mobile phone. ठीक है, sometime what happened, we are making call and due to that signal problem that our voice will not be clear. So this one is the function of repeater. If during networking we are using repeater, children, this one is repeater. If we are placing repeater there, so repeater will give the strength to that signal to the weak signals. Okay. Now one example is there. Suppose you have seen that in cross country, this one is your starting point of cross country and this one is the ending point. Long distance is there. So what happened, so many students are taking part, so they all are what signals they are there. ठीक है. Here few signals are weak signals. जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, they are the weak signals, they are unable to complete the race, and what happened that in between they feeling tired and all that. If repeater is there, repeater here is our Meenakshi ma'am. What she will do, she is giving them instant energy, she is giving them glucon D and glucose, and after taking that, what happened that these signals they are getting strength and they are again in the race, they are also start moving. समझ में आया? So what is the function of repeater? Repeater, it will re-establishing the strength of the signal and it helps the signal to reach to its destination. ठीक है? So this one is the function of repeater. Okay. So children, in our today's class, what we discussed, this one is the last one. So in our today's class, we discuss about the networking devices. So first networking device is switch. What is the function of switch? Switch is used to connect different computers, and this one is our switch, and here all the computers are connected, and with this the data is transferred. Hub is also similar to this switch. Here hub, okay, in these ports we are placing the cables. And what is the difference between hub and switch? Hub is also known as dumb switch because हब डोंट रिमेंबर कि उससे जो डेटा था वो किसने रिक्वेस्ट किया था. हब विल सेंड द डेटा टू ऑल थ्री नोड्स. ठीक है, suppose node 1 is requesting, but at end it will give data to all three, so this time this data is useless for 2 and 3. That's why this hub is dumb switch. And this switch is smarter one. What a switch will do, if we are connecting these computers with the switch will give the request whatever node is requesting, switch will give data to only that node. So this is the benefit of using switch. Next device what we discussed about router. Children, this one is router. What is the function of router? That it will find the best possible route for transmitting data. ठीक है, it is the duty of this router. You all are using internet, so internet we are using router. So okay, here these computers are there. This one is sender, this one is receiver, and one more node is there. So node 1, 2 and 3. Here two nodes are there for reaching to receiver, and here one node is there. And if we are connecting router in between, so now this is the duty of this router. It will find the shortest path. Now router will decide that this 3 route is the shortest one. Okay, only one node is there in between, so it will tell this to the packet, that data, that you will follow this path. Okay, so this is the duty of router, this is the function of router. It will analyze the network and find the shortest path and or best possible route for transmitting the data. Or what we discuss about bridge that we are using for connecting two different LAN. And it is bridge is having that property that it is responsible for filtering the data. Okay, and it's check destination address. Next one is repeater. What is the function of repeater? Repeater will re-establishing the signal. It provide the strength to the signal. When signal is lose their strength, the repeater will go there and it will provide the strength. Okay, so many signals are there, some weak signals are there. If we are using repeater there, what repeater will do? Repeater will give them instant energy, that glucose, and these weak signals, they also get some strength from this repeater, and they will easily reach to their into the destination. So children, with this topic is completed. Now if you found any problem in any topic, I am here, I will help you out. And thank you so much for giving me your valuable time and listening me. And thank you so much children. Thank you class.